Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm sneaking up on Terry. So Terry, what's going on, man?
Hey Dustin, just doing a bearing pack on a ORV here.
You're doing a bearing pack on Outdoors RV?
Outdoors RV.
All right. So what's going on?
Discovered this little nut rolling around inside here. So it's all perfectly
Oh,
smoothed
it's all
out.
rounded out. What's the nut from?
To me, it would be from a backing plate that was on here originally. Whoever worked on this last.
It didn't cause any damage to the hub?
No,
or
didn't
nothing?
cause any damage to the.
I see a mark, but it
the
doesn't
hub.
look like I don't feel nothing really on there, so it should be good that way. But yeah, I see how all the seals were leaking inside the brakes. And that was already scattered, throwing it all around. And then is that from like just heavy braking? Because I do see a bunch of brake material right here. Yep, a lot of brake material in there.
Yeah, so this little nut had to have been tumbling around.
In which it was in this forward axle?
Front passenger.
Okay.
So pads and everything's fine. It just had to have been just right down in here, just tumbling around this whole time. But it
So
didn't.
probably from whoever messed with it the prior
Yeah,
time.
because the rest of the bolts are all still in place.
That's kind of crazy.
So-
I see that they marked them. You know, I'm not sure what year this unit is, but I see. Well, that's a LCI brakes. I wonder if it was just something that was floating around in the brake, maybe stuck at brand new, and nobody just noticed it or something.
That's a possibility.
Yeah, like it came that way from.
Yeah. Or
From
it's
the
been,
actual
or it's been
packaging?
changed out before, and whoever did just dropped it and just
Didn't notice it. Yeah.
let it go.
So anyways, if you didn't already know, we do have an Outdoors RV Facebook group. It's called Outdoors RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin. And we do a bunch of videos like this all the time. So, you know, whether we're just doing regular maintenance or repairs, you know, we do talk a lot about the CRE 3000s, how we having issues that we keep seeing with them. We just spoke to somebody this morning was having problems with their grease zerts. They weren't able to get grease into them. And we explained to them on that when you're greasing these, we use a DeWalt grease gun that's got 10,000 PSIs. And so when you lift, you have to lift the weight off the actual suspension in order to get grease in there. If grease isn't going in, then the bushing has probably seated itself with the nylon or not the nylon, excuse me, the bronze into the small little hole. And again, those holes are, you know, just as small as that tip of that grease zert, so it's not much to those. So if you can't get grease into your fittings, you know, you're going to need to replace those bolts and then make sure you're doing your wheel bearing packs. We recommend doing a wheel bearing pack once a year or 12,000 miles. That's usually what's recommended by most of the axle companies, braking companies, such. And then also when you're in here, when we're doing it like on this example, he's got shocks. So we're checking the U-bolt torques, we're checking the shocks, we're checking the torque on the shackle links, we're looking at the springs, we're looking at the magnets, the wiring. This is adjustable brakes. So anyway, stay tuned for more and hope these videos help you and serve as a good reminder to do your maintenance. Thanks so much for watching.